She is a wealthy woman. هغه ډیره مالداره ښځه ده. She is a wealthy woman. I want to book a taxi. زه ټیکسي بک کول غواړم. I want to book a taxi. She married a rich man. هغې د مالدار سړي سره واده وکړو. She married a rich man. Come let us take tea. راځئ چې چای وڅښو. Come let us take tea. Make the bed. کټ سم کا. Make the bed. Or prepare the bed. کټ سم کا. Prepare the bed. Understand the delicacy of time. د وخت په حساسیت پوه شه. Understand the delicacy of time. Is dinner ready? آیا د شپې روټۍ تیاره ده. Is dinner ready? Open the lid of bottle. د بوتل ډکن کولاو کا. Open the lid of bottle. Turn on the tap. نل کولاو کا. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. نل بند کا. Turn off the tap. Hard work is the key to success. سخت محنت د کامیابی چابی ده. Hard work is the key to success. Spread the sheet on the bed. په بسترې څادر وغوړوه. Spread the sheet on the bed. Let him take time. پرېږده چې هغه وخت واخلي. Let him take time. Are you a vegetarian? آیا ته سبزي خور یې. Are you a vegetarian? Don't lean against the wall. دیوال ته ډډه مه وهه. Don't lean against the wall. Time is money. وخت قیمتي دی. Time is money. I am sorry I couldn't be on time. بخښنه غواړم زه په وخت رانغلم. I am sorry I couldn't be on time. I didn't expect it. زما دا امید نه و. I didn't expect it. I'll surely meet you. زه به تا سره خامخا میلاویږم. I'll surely meet you. She is a woman of good nature. هغه د یو ښه طبیعت ښځه ده. She is a woman of good nature. His talent is praiseworthy. د هغه هنر د ستاینې وړ دی. د ستاینې وړ یعنی قابل تعریف دی. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ د هغه هنر قابل تعریف دی. His talent is praiseworthy. How did you like this house? تا ته دا کور څنګه ولګید. How did you like this house? How did you call me up today? تا نن ما ته څنګه فون وکړو. How did you call me up today? My kids are not mischievous. زما واړه شرارتي نه دي. My kids are not mischievous. I must leave now. وس مال تله پکار دی. I must leave now. May I accompany you? آیا زه در سره ملګری شم؟ May I accompany you? I am sorry. You are breaking up. بخښنه غواړم ستا اواز کټ کیږي. I am sorry. You are breaking up. Should I bring it? آیا مال دا راوړه پکار دی؟ Should I bring it? He is too weak to rise from the bed. هغه دومره ناروغه دی چې د کټ نه نشي پاسېدی. He is too weak to rise from the bed. What's your bill? ستا بیل څومره دی؟ یعنی بیل د پسې څومره راغلی. What's your bill? You do anything. I don't care. ته که هر څه کوې ما ته څه فرق نه پرېوځي. You do anything. I don't care. Here is your station. اډه دې راغله. Here is your station. Pick up the luggage. سامان اوچت کا. Pick up the luggage. Both are close to each other. دواړه یو بل ته ډیر نږدې دي. Both are close to each other. Where is the waiting room? د انتظار کمره کوم خوا ده؟ Where is the waiting room? He always stands in my ways. هغه تل زما په کار کې کار ساتي. He always stands in my ways. Be seated for a while. لږ ساعت کېنه. Be seated for a while. We have to work harder than the hardest. مونږ له سخت نه سخت محنت کول پکار دي. We have to work harder than the hardest. Please don't wait for me. مهرباني وکړه زما انتظار مه کوه. Please don't wait for me. I can't cheat her. زه هغې له دوکه نشم ورکولی. I can't cheat her. He is badly hurt. هغه ډیر زخمی شوی دی. He is badly hurt. Show the way. لاره وښیه. Show the way. We will hire a taxi. مونږ به ټیکسي وکړو. We will hire a taxi. Where does this bus go? دا بس چرته ځي. Where does this bus go? Don't put your finger into your mouth. ګوته دې خوله کې مږده. Don't put your finger into your mouth. Where is the public toilet? عوامي تشناب کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the public toilet? Complete your homework. د کور کار دی پوره کا. یعنی homework دی پوره کا. Complete your homework. How far is the market? بازار څومره لرې دی؟ How far is the market? Can't you sit still at one place? په یو ځای نشي کېناستی. Can't you sit still at one place? Stop playing on mobile. په موبایل لوبې کول بند کا. Stop playing on mobile. Stop playing games on mobile. موبایل باندې لوبې کول بند کا. Stop playing games on mobile. Is this stuff all right? آیا دا سامان ټیک دی؟ Is this stuff all right? Finish your food quickly. خوراک دی زر ختم کا. Finish your food quickly. What is the price of this thing? د دې شیز قیمت څه دی؟ What is the price of this thing? It is good for your health. دا ستا د صحت د پاره ښه دی. It is good for your health. Is the color fast? آیا رنگ تیز دی؟ Is the color fast? I'm just watching TV. زه صرف ټي وي ګورم. I'm just watching TV. The train just left. ریل ګاډی اوس لاړ. The train just left. He made a mistake. هغه غلطي وکړه. He made a mistake. Butter is made from milk. کوچ د پيو نه جوړیږي. Butter is made from milk. When will you be back? ستا واپسی به کله؟ When will you be back? Don't worry. فکر مکوه. Don't worry. Have they met him? آیا هغوی د هغه سره میلاو شوي دي؟ Have they met him? Here is your salad. دا دی ستا سلاد. Here is your salad. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.